Welcome back to Technogears video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can watch ESPN. What we are going to search ESPN on Google. And once we select, we can enter in any of this. We can see the platform, and here we can enter YouTube, Disney Plus or Star Plus, since they have an agreement within this. And you can enter from the free to see this information. If you don't know where to enter, I advise you go to the top left and you will enter here, for example, and subscribe, Star Plus, and more information. And that will be all, guys. Thanks you for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us why you topic the video.